Hi guys, it's Kaylee10 and I'm here recording with Jessie May UK, and we are going to be recording calendar parkour because we just chose a random one and we're doing checkpoint 3. Let's go. Okay. She is she and she's helping me get to 100 subs. She has 68 subscribers. And we've been friends for a while, and I helped her with her channel a little bit, and she's been boosting my channel, Calendar. She's been boosting my channel up a lot, actually, which has helped me tons, actually. I think she's got me like 20 subs. She got me to 50, I'm pretty sure. So I'm really thankful for her, and yeah. And okay, I had just recorded with Lola, and so yeah, I just recorded with Lola, and then my recorder isn't working. Mushroom, and I was just recording with someone else, and then my screen recorder wasn't working, so I had to update my computer. And I don't want to download anything else because I'm not going to say the name, but one of the screen recorders that I used to have, it gave my computer a virus. So yeah, and I just don't trust downloading screen recorders anymore, so I don't. So I got a computer that has a screen recorder built into it for Christmas, and it records gamer clips. And I just figured out how to put my voice in them a couple of weeks ago. I had like 4 that I didn't have my voice in. And yeah. Ready, done this CP, but I love it. And I'm doing a series. I am doing this series with Mandarin, but I just felt like I was gonna do calendar today because I'm in the mood for it, and Mandarin isn't home yet, aka Eva, aka Jaguar. OMG, what? Why can't I do this? I just can't seem to do this today. I don't know how to do that jump anymore. You just gotta, and it's one way or another. You gotta find you. Got it. I don't know how to do it. I just jumped. Oh, why am I singing? I always sing. Ooh, good job. Oh, that gives me an idea. Woo! I fell. Wait, Jessie, nature parkour? Okay, so we're gonna do nature parkour because, oh yeah. So let's go. I love your skin. Mom. Yes, I do want food. Yes. Yeah. I'm recording. I don't answer when I record. Well, I'm still working. Oh! Okay. I'm just happy that I'm not happy it's Monday. I'm just happy that... Stop asking her. Feel better. I like to feature people in my videos. Some people have asked me, why do you keep recording with... Everyone's like, why do you keep recording with different people? I was like, because it's fun and I like to give other people a chance to be in my videos. Hi. Okay, I have done it. The first part. Hey, so I'm going to celebrate my time. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. There's a party going on right here. A celebration. Celebrate your time. There's a party going on right here. Celebration. A celebration. You sure? Shake a party going on right here. No! Whoa, 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 yeah. Yay! Okay, well, I am partying by myself, and I like, if you guys have any ideas for people that you want to see in this video that you know that are my friends, and not like Chad Allen, or, because I can't get on with them because I personally don't know them, and they have busy schedules as well, and so, like, maybe I could record with Sam, or Huskies, or Mandarin more often, whoever you guys prefer. Or if you want me to talk about you, do it with you guys, just let me know and I will try to make it happen. It all just depends on my schedule. Because if you're on and I'm not on, then it's not going to work out. So, but if we're both on at the same time, then it will work out. kitty. I see you. Where'd you go? Oh, she's over there. Oh, good jump from that. Jump from here. Jump from here. Okay. Whew. Savannah, I'm at a beach, you know. And yay, and yay. Okay. And if you guys haven't seen my previous videos where I have been apologizing for my busy schedule and not uploading, it is because this week is midterms and last week was the study guides for midterms, and the transition from break onto school was a little challenging to juggle all the demands. And so lots of people were like, "Are you dead? Are you dead?" And I couldn't go on my computer because I'm having some struggles in school getting back, but I'm better now. And this week tomorrow I get off at 12. Then I get off at 10:30. And then I have a regular day at school when I get off at 3. And then I don't have school Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Monday. So those days will be kind of my catch-up days. Whew. Who's hacking? Okay. Okay. Well, woo! I guess Jessie's gonna go with her friend, which is fine. Oh, later though. Okay. Alright, I'll probably record another one today. Ahead. Okay. Bye. Okay, well, this has been very fun, and I will soon have to come to a close on this. I might do a part 2 with Jessie on this if we don't get to finish this. But if I don't get to finish this, then I know that Jessie probably will finish this, and I could ask her to record that for us, for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna try for this, and I'm not sure if I am going to beat this. I just burped really loud. going. Okay, well, I have 2 minutes left to record this video, and I think I think I'm gonna end this once I fail. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if I fail this, I'm gonna be sad. Okay, yeah, ending vid. Okay, we're just gonna jump down, and we're gonna end it with Kitty. Kitty, come end it. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come end, come down here. To end vid. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. And this is with IM_a kitty. And thank you for watching. Subscribe and bye. I'll see you next time.